Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my Theory Tuition series where I'm working with you step by step through the ABRSM Theory Grades. And we're now coming to the very last part of this set of 2016 papers. There are lots of resources available to help you on my website. If you visit sharonbill.com, you'll find some free PDF information sheets available in US letter and A4 to accompany each step of this series. There's also a page which links to all of my video tutorials, and you can find the YouTube links in the playlist, and that will give you ample opportunity to revise any section that you feel like you're not sure on when you come across them in these papers. Also, I've written a book, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam. It's full of tips and techniques on how to best prepare for your exam, and it's also going to help you to make the best use of your time once you're in the exam room. So if you go to sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab, be encouraging to me. And if you can subscribe to my channel to keep updated, there's loads more to come. And so now we're going to continue with the last part of the last paper in this booklet. So if you turn to the very back page in your booklet, I'm going to have a look at question 8 of the specimen paper. And so this follows the same format as the other papers, and if you remember, the Italian terms and the musical directions that are included here from 2018 onwards will be presented to you in a multiple choice in the exam, but it'll be good revision to just answer these. So question 8a gives the meaning of moderato. Now, moderato literally is moderate, but that's not quite sufficient. We need to say at a moderate tempo. It's a speed or tempo direction. At a moderate tempo. MF is short for mezzo forte, which means moderately loud, or middle loud literally, but moderately loud is a better translation. Crash is short for crescendo, which means gradually getting louder. There we go. Now in bar 3 we see this little symbol here, if you look there, and that's an accent mark, and it means to play with an extra pressure. These will be a multiple choice for you from 2018 onwards though. Ral is short for rallentando, and it means gradually slowing down or gradually getting slower. There we go. That's that. Let's go on to question B. This melody is in the key of C major. Draw a bracket over 3 notes next to each other that form the tonic triad in this key. So if you remember, a triad is built of the first, the third and the fifth note of the scale. So C is the first, D, E is the third, F, G is the fifth. So we're looking for C, E, G next to each other. May not be in that order. However, if we remember we're in bass clef, you look at bar 2, C, E, G, we find them exactly in that order. So let's draw a bracket over those. That's it. Give the letter name of the highest note in the melody. So let's have a scan through and see which is the highest. And at a glance you can see that this ledger line note takes you higher than anywhere else. We get that twice. And remember we're in bass clef, and that's note C. It's your middle C that comes to the top, because you've got A is your top line, good boys to football always, A, B, C. So we just need C. Okay, underline one of the following words that best describes how you think bar 5 should be played. So should it be staccato, detached, or should it be legato, smooth? So let's have a look at bar 5. And it's these little dots above the note which tell us that they should be played staccato, which means detached. So staccato is our answer. How many times does this rhythm occur? So just keep your eyes peeled. We're looking for a dotted crotchet quaver or dotted quarter note, eighth note. So let's have a look through. So we get it once here, again here, and that's that. So we get it twice. So it occurs 2 times. In which bar is the performer told to pause or hold on to a note? So let's glance. Now I'm guessing it'll be at the end, bit of a grand finale. And there we go. There's our pause mark. It's called a fermata. It means pause, hold the note longer than expected, than the note value. So it's just kind of a bit of artistic license there. So it's bar 8. And then really that's the thinking done. Copy out the music from the start of bar 1 to the end of bar 4. We get 10 marks for merely copying. You've just got to be very careful that you copy exactly the parts that they want. They even generously tell us, don't forget the clef, time signature, tempo marking, dynamics and all other details. So remember, marks will be given for neatness and accuracy. No excuses really for losing any marks here with just copying. So make sure your pencil's nice and sharp. We're going from the start of bar 1 to the end of bar 4. And so I'm going to keep the bars aligned with what they've given us. And that way I'm not going to get lost where I am, miss bits or run out of space. Don't lose any marks by forgetting the last bar line, otherwise that bar is not complete. So we need a bass clef. We need clef, time signature. There is no key signature this time, we're in C major. Tempo marking, moderato. And then we just need to copy everything else exactly as it's written. So we've got an MF in bar 1. You can do this in any order you like, really, just as long as you get everything there. Bar 3 is forte, and then we'll need the notes before we can do anything else. So I'm going to just write the note heads. First of all, I prefer to just do the note heads. You can just do the stems as you go along if you prefer. Dot comes after a note there. Don't colour those in, don't get carried away. Okay, stems next. Exactly as they've done. And now we've got all these articulation marks to put. So we've got staccatos. Not there. We've got the accent mark here. And then we've got a slur here and a slur here. And I think that's everything. Just have a quick glance through, double check. And that's that. So that should give you full marks for this paper. I hope that's been helpful to you. If you can give me a like, that'd be really great. And subscribe to my channel to keep updated. There's lots more in store. Please do make use of the resources available on my website. If you go to sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. Make use of those free PDF information sheets and have a look at the YouTube video tutorials to help you in your revision, to recap certain topics, and have a look at the books that are there available to help you with your exam technique. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.